because the waterway is still under federal jurisdiction. You see somebody over there fishing. You see somebody. What we tell folks
Coming up on
you can
Deimos.
come in here, but you need to be mindful of what the rules are. The other thing is the Coast Guard is, if they're on the waterway in here doing whatever, or Parks and Wildlife, if I'm bringing my boat in here, I better make sure that my license and registration are up to date, that everything is up to date, that I have all the flotation devices, that my fire extinguisher is up to date, because you will probably get stopped and get inspected, and if you're not up to that, you'll get a ticket. But you would get that anywhere else. But the fact of the matter is we still allow fishing. So this is the south side of the ship channel. And so I mentioned earlier that we have 3 large-scale ship recyclers. Well, the largest one is this one here that we see where we're coming across. This is International Shipbreaking. They are owned by a company out of the United Kingdom called European Metal Markets. This is the company that secured the award from the U.S. Navy for the Kitty Hawk and the JFK. This is where they will be coming. And so you can see, if you just look on shore, in fact, right here we're passing what looks like a cannon that came off a ship. And it's right there. So those are the kinds of things that come off these old naval vessels. And so this is going to be a very busy place in the next few years. And it will remain busy because it takes about 200 people anywhere from 18 to 24 months to completely recycle an aircraft carrier. And so that is a big plus for us in terms
All right,
of
that
jobs,
is Deimos, everybody.
in terms of the ability to sustain the industry, but keep